guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another weekly vlog. I actually start vlogging in the morning of every Friday, but today I haven't really been doing much except cleaning my room, and cleaning my room is boring now. So yeah, I started the vlog at night. The time right now is around 2:30 a.m. and I'm just done filming tomorrow's video, and today I spent the entire day cleaning the room, if you can see. And again, there's a lot of mess on my bed because of today's video. So let me just clean everything up quickly, and then we are going to write my planner and journal. So today I'll actually show you what I actually write every day. So yeah, we'll be back in a moment after cleaning all this mess up. So yeah, bye guys. So guys, these are the two books I write every single night without fail from the time I got it. So basically this is like a 5-year journal. So you have a question every single day. For example, today's 22nd. So here the question is, do you believe that you're independent? And what I do is I just write, I just write the year 2021. I can't write it like this. After that, I'll just show it to you. So guys, this is what I wrote. So like that, I do write every single day, which I don't really want to show you. But yeah, this is how I write. Then I write it next year, like that, 5 years, so that I can actually see. Maybe until next year, I actually start earning. Then I'm like, yes, I'm independent. Or maybe I'm dependent upon someone emotionally, I'm going to write that. So that is how it goes every single year. So for example, for tomorrow, what part of your body do you like the most? So I'll write that. Next year that might change. So basically it shows the progress, like that. There is 365 days. So yes, that is how this thing is. And then coming to this thing is actually a planner, which I don't really use like a planner. This is mostly like my planner. Like for example, I have this Saree Talk episodes thing. I wrote all the saree names, jewelry I'm going to pair with it. So that is how this thing goes. So this is Diwali outfit, so that these are outfit things. And then here I'm literally showing you everything. And then here are my video ideas, which I'm not going to show. And plain thing is still blank. And again in the blue thing, I just write all the things. Like this is the Amazon's must-have, so that I have to mention the prices and everything, right? So I write down all the prices, and the Sugar Box subscription things, the New Year resolution. This was the book I lost that time, and all the prizes and what I actually have to tell and talk. So that I write that in the blue section. This is mostly like my video planner. Coming to this planner, when I open it, I still have to do a lot of things which I haven't really done yet. So yes, the next thing I do is I open this page. So guys, in this page, I write every single day. I write the amount of subscribers I have on that particular day. For example, yesterday I had 406 subscribers, and today I just checked, I have 409 subscribers, and here I have a watch minutes of 1,08,468, and today I have 1,09,000. Oh, actually forgot, just a second. 1,09,108. So basically I can see my rate of improvement, and how much by the end of the year, the amount of subscribers I gained. So basically this helps me grow. So that is this. Again, when I turn their pages like these, as my New Year resolution, I write all the things that made me happy first. Wait, I'll just write it and be back. So guys, these are the things I wrote today. So filming a video, feeding dogs, and cleaning my room, these are the things that made me happy. And then I actually broke this nail. It was so terrible and painful. It still is, but yeah, I almost cried. So that is the thing that made me sad. And I scared. Louis was shouting all day, and I scared him so much that he's not even coming near me right now. So yeah, and grateful. Today I filmed the Urbanic haul, so I was able, like my parents were able to afford all those things for me. So yeah, that made me grateful. So this is how this page goes. And then as I turn, there's another section which I wrote here. It includes workout, eat healthy, read a book, feed a dog. So I'm just going to color the thing if I have done that today. I haven't worked out today. I ate healthy finally. All of these days I was out and I was eating at least one or two things here and there. So I haven't really colored it. At least like from the time I started using this book. Yeah, and I also fed a dog today. I fed 3 dogs today. So yeah, that goes. So yeah, that is how this planner works for me. And also sometimes I write notes in the end here. Like, let me just show you. This was about the Shirdi thing I was planning, where I have to eat food because I love food in Shirdi, but nothing, this thing didn't really work out. So yeah, that is how things go. So guys, today was a filming day, and if you don't really know, I for sure will use a mask after I film a video. So today I was feeling very lazy, so I just put in this water sleeping mask from Dot and Key. It is a really good mask. Hydrates your skin, and yeah, mine is like a dry skin, so it works really well for me. And if you can see, I finished a lot of it. And then of course I actually didn't find this for the longest time, and yeah, today I did. So yeah, I also put on some Laneige lip sleeping mask. So yeah, this is my skincare for tonight. And yeah, good night guys, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. So the time right now is around 1 p.m. and I have been watching Bridgerton for the past 1 hour. So yeah, I'm on episode 7. I'm a very late watcher, like I can't binge whatsoever. Hi guys, so in case why am I not showing you my face, because I look super messy. Anyways, I ordered myself, there's a lot of moisturizer on my face right now. Anyways, so I'm waiting for my Taco Bell order to arrive. I have been craving Taco Bell the entire morning and I just couldn't control myself from not eating it. So I'm waiting for my Taco Bell order. Easy to edit my yesterday's video. Today is a Saturday, so I need to upload a video. So yeah, let me just quickly go have bath, eat some Taco Bell, and then edit the video. And we are going to Farmers tonight. See ya. Hi guys, so I just received my Taco Bell order. So of course I ordered the Big Bell box because I love all the things in there. It includes a burrito, a taco, some cinnamon sticks, some fries, and some Coke. I actually like another sauce of which I forgot the name. But yeah, this is my order. I can't wait to have it. Like, this makes me more hungry now. Hi guys, so I'm all ready to go to the farmhouse and you know what am I packing? Nothing. That's the first time ever that I'm not carrying anything to my farmhouse because we'll be returning tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, this is my OOT. And yeah guys, I'll see you there. Reached here. Actually, for some reason I'm super tired. Let's go eat and sleep. Louis! Cutie! Good morning, guys. Hey, this guy has become so mischievous. Louis, no! Look at him. Good morning, guys. I just woke up and we came out for a little walk. And Louis is doing all the mischief possible in this world. So yeah, let's make some lunch now. Because today is a Sunday. Hi. Hi. So, quick update. So, I haven't been doing anything literally. I didn't cook, didn't do anything. Like, it's been so long since it's been like that. So, I've been watching this all morning, and yeah, now I'm going to be having lunch. Today is going to be like a super chill, lazy day. Not even at night I'm doing anything. Actually, this is very unusual of me. I can't sit idle. But yeah, that is what I am going to be doing today, and it feels good. Like, it's been like this for, it's not been like this for a very long time. But yeah, today I'm not even going to edit or do anything for that matter. I'm just going to watch TV, eat good food, and sleep. That's it. That's the plan for today. So I think you guys should be super bored of that. So yeah, I'll probably see you tomorrow. Or if I do something interesting, I'll show you. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. And there's my baby. I feel like Louis has grown up so much today. I don't know why. He's like 1 year, 4-5 months, and he grew so much. Today Louis looks like a big boy for me. Bye. Yeah, he left. Guys, hi guys. So here's our Sunday lunch. So here we have some mutton biryani, and then we have some chicken fry. There's some white rice, of course, and then we have some fish curry and some fish fry. So yeah, this is our lunch for today. Can't wait to have it. Louis is all ready to leave. Louis, let's go. Such a cutie he is. Louis, come. Look at this guy. Louis? Louis, no. Louis, no, no, no. Hi guys, good morning. Good afternoon, in fact. The time right now is actually 2 p.m. So in case you're wondering what I was doing the entire morning, basically I was editing today's vlog. Today is a Monday. So yeah, actually right now I'm leaving to my friend's place. It's been like, oh my god, it's been like more than a month since I met them. So yeah, we are going to watch a movie, chill for some time. And yeah, I'll see you. Bye. Oh, hi Leo. Hi. 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 This is Shadow. Shadow, hi. 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 Oh, he's licking my he's licking Louis. Sorry. Shadow, you're not supposed to eat chocolate. You're a dog. Shadow, you're a dog. Shadow. He's a dog, Deepthi.
I don't have chocolate like
Shadow chocolate. You're a dog.
psycho.
Back to my parcel. So I ordered something from Punk Clothing. I'm having some dinner. I'm having some chicken curry and rice. This is Dream Home Makeover. I know a lot of people think these are like super trashy shows, but you know what? I absolutely enjoy them. Hi guys, so I got my neon light fixated in my room last week. My room was not neat, so I didn't show you then, and I actually wanted to do like an entire dedicated video for like a neon room, but this pretty much makes my entire room neon, so I didn't want it to add any extra light so that it, it just falls on my eyes, because this already does. So it has my name on it. And yeah, I absolutely love it. I see these rooms all over Pinterest. It makes my room super nice and neon again. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Actually, the only problem is the switch, which looks super nasty. I actually will get a fixature here. Like I'll remove this thing and I'll get the plug to go there. There's still a little time for it. But yeah, other than that, this neon lights looks so pretty. And coming to the details, I got this custom made from this Instagram store called Beyond Neon. I'll place it in the description box in case you want to check it out. And I got this thing for around 7,000 rupees. Like, I don't remember the exact figure, but around 7,000 rupees. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I absolutely love this in my room. Hi guys, so I'm in this neon light, so I didn't even show you my face from morning, so I just wanted to come here. So yeah guys, my college is starting from 1st February and I don't know if till when will it continue, and if I'll get a lot of videos. So I'm planning to film as many videos and as I can, so that I can at least keep up with the schedule of Wednesday and Saturday, because if I have exams the schedule is going to be pretty much the same, so I don't think there'll be a lot of vlogs coming up in February. Hi guys, so the time right now is actually 2 a.m. Yeah, you heard it right. It's the next day's after 2 a.m. In case you're wondering why am I all dolled up, because I just filmed a video on this. Basically today was like the day where I didn't want to get out of the bed. I was feeling super lazy. I had to push myself to do everything. I even didn't want to eat. I was super hungry from morning, but I had my lunch at 5 p.m. literally, like breakfast, lunch, like all together, and yeah, that's the only meal I had. And I wasn't even feeling well today. I don't know why. So it was one of those days. Even to film, I had to push myself because tomorrow is Wednesday and I didn't want to miss a video. But to be honest, this was the happiest part of my day. I'm just done filming and I'm feeling the happiest I've felt from the entire day yesterday, because I don't know, one thing which I realized today was no matter how many views or how many people are going to subscribe me or watch me, this is something that really makes me so happy and makes me feel like me. So I'm never going to stop doing it, even if I'm going to have like 400 subscribers for the rest of my life. I'm happy with that. But yeah, this is something that makes me happy. In case you guys think that I use the same products, because they're super affordable and they actually work. You know, the people who watch one video of mine might not watch the next video. So yeah, in case you're watching it for the first time, you can find it super affordable and nice. So yeah, I'm living for this look actually, but it's time to remove it. So yeah, I'm sorry for the blabber, for the midnight blabber. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so the time right now is actually 7 p.m. and yeah, I have been working on something the entire morning. I actually wanted to talk about it next week, but I thought why delay. So basically, I actually am opening an Instagram thrift store from today, that is Louis. So yeah, I'm opening an Instagram thrift store wherein you can buy my clothes from my closet. There are two reasons for it. One reason is, of course, to create sustainable fashion, and number two, actually, there's a dog in our street, you know, whom we feed all the time, we talk to, and this and that. But I had no idea that she was pregnant, because I wasn't really around pregnant dogs. I can't really identify. So she was not coming to our lane from past 2 days, and I was super worried. Then I got to know that she gave birth to 6 puppies, and all of them died when they fell into some drainage hole or something. So yeah, I have always wanted to look at this boy. I have always wanted to open like an animal shed or do something for dogs. And personally, I vlog a lot, but I'm not trying to boast about myself or something, but I feed dogs every single day. And you know, hearing that just broke my heart. And of course, like, even I can't convince my parents to just get as many dogs as I can and keep it in our home or something like that. So opening like an animal shed has always been my dream. Of course, with the money I collect from this, of course I can't open like an animal shed or anything, but I can at least make an investment, you know, grow that and do something for them in the future. So with that, I am actually opening this thrift store from wherein you can buy all of my clothes, and at the comfort of your home you can help so many dogs. Your money will be actually given to you, like information, all the information will be given to you, whereas to what is actually happening, like of course not an individual name, but all the updates will be given in form of stories, posts, or anything like that. So yeah, in case you want to help dogs and buy some cute outfits, you can go there and have a look. I'm going to be placing the link down in the description box below, so it would mean the absolute world and beyond to me if you help me in any way possible. Having some Shazwan dosa and trying to do some work. Like, I don't know what work, but I want to do some work. So let's see. Plan for tonight.
Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it.
The apartment gym in forever, and look who is accompanying me. Louis! Yeah, I fell. Louis, hi! So yeah, doing a little workout. Look how excited he is. Louis! Louis! Sit, Louis! You want to sit? Do you want to sit? Come, climb. Louis is enjoying so much. Louis? Louis, are you enjoying? Yesterday I was telling you about the dog, right? She is the one. So I just gave her some milk. And yeah, she has got a lot of hurts on her body. Hi guys, good morning. So finally I made a schedule for myself today because I have exams and there are a lot of people on the roads, excuse that. So I woke up, I wrote, see, my another nail broke terribly anyways. So I had to wake up at 11:30. I woke up at 10:30.
Yeah, I did a little TP and then me and we went out for a walk. The time right now is around 12:05. So I'm just reading this book.
So I'm actually reading this book. Sorry, there's a lot of construction going on near my place. So yeah, I started this book when I was going to Shirdi, right? I actually completed almost like half of it. And there's another half left. So yeah, I'm going to be reading this book. And then we are going to chill for some time. Then here's my rest of the schedule in case you want to read. So yeah, that is the plan for today. And yeah, let me get started with reading this book. Hi guys, so in case you're wondering why am I in this filming position, that is because I have set up the entire thing. As you can see, it's daytime and yeah, I'm filming for the first time in the daytime because usually I live in an area where there are a lot of colleges and also in an apartment where there are a lot of people. So yeah, I prefer filming at night mostly, but we got a lot of videos to film today because again my exams are starting in this and that. So here I am all ready. If you have seen this, I actually made Louis wear this once. So yeah, if you can see, I'm all ready to film my first video. So yeah, the time right now is around 3:30 or 4:30. I'm not really sure. So yeah, I'll just quickly finish my first video and be back. Hi guys, I'm done with 2 videos. Now I'm going to change, clear this face up, and I'm going to be meditating for a bit. Guess who forgot to take a picture for thumbnail? Thank God I at least realized it now. Bye. Sorry, I look a little tired. I forgot to end the vlog. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel because that would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.